Didn't I, Almighty Jesus, tell you during my earthly sojourn? John chapter 10 verses 30 to 38, New International Version. I and the Father are one. John chapter 12 verse 45, NIV, the one who looks at me is seeing the one who sent me. John chapter 14 verses 8 to 21, New International Version. Philip said, Lord, show us the Father and that will be enough for us. Jesus answered, Don't you know me, Philip, even after I have been among you such a long time? Anyone who has seen me has seen the Father. How can you say, show us the Father? Don't you believe that I am in the Father and that the Father is in me? The words I say to you I do not speak on my own authority, rather it is the Father living in me who is doing his work. Believe me when I say that I am in the Father and the Father is in me, or at least believe on the evidence of the works themselves. Very truly I tell you, whoever believes in me will do the works I have been doing, and they will do even greater things than these because I am going to the Father, and I will do whatever you ask in my name so that the Father may be glorified in the Son. You may ask me for anything in my name and I will do it. John 14 verse 11, NIV. Believe me when I say that I am in the Father and the Father is in me, or at least believe on the evidence of the works themselves. John 14 verse 6, NIV. I am the way and the truth and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. Except myself there is no other separate imaginary Father dwelling in heavens forever.